A curious home scientist opens a mysterious cardboard sound box filled with everyday objects and discovers how each item creates a unique pitch when struck or plucked. By swapping objects on a simple ruler, the video demonstrates resonance and how length, mass, and stiffness tune the vibrations to different tones. Viewers learn to map sounds to materials, noticing which surfaces transmit more vibration and why certain objects sound hollow or muffled. A quick teardown explains that sound travels as waves and energy transfers through air, metal, and plastic. The result is a playful, quick guide anyone can replicate to explore acoustics at home.